Joe Holbrook here, the Cloud Tech Guy. Welcome to the channel. Let's talk about 2026 and is it going to be the death of the traditional career? Did you know that there was a survey done by resume.org of companies that basically stated that they plan to replace workers with AI by 2026? From that survey, over 37% of companies had stated, yes, they're going to be using AI in some form to replace workers. That's a pretty significant number. But we have to realize that AI isn't the whole story. But we also need to think about it from an independent consultant perspective as well, where we need to realize that maybe our lives will shift in some form as well. Companies are definitely looking to reduce overhead in a number of different ways, so we have to prepare. So this video isn't really about the jobs that we're going to lose, but really about the type of jobs that will be available down the road in the next few years. So let's go ahead and talk about a playbook to help prepare you for 2026 and beyond. The dream of a stable career is broken. Most of us probably feel that, probably know that in some form or another. There's a 2025 survey that found over 95% of workers feel their wages are not keeping up with living costs. In other words, we have a divergence between inflation and our wages, what we're being paid. That's why 38% of workers are now working some form of a side hustle. They're working anything from delivering food to creating content online to starting side businesses like merchandising on Amazon or whatever they're doing to create that extra income. So the stability of that 9 to 5 is long over. Security is an illusion. AI is accelerating the slow decline into a rapid collapse. Goldman Sachs warns that generative AI could automate up to 300 million full-time jobs. That's a lot of jobs, even on a worldwide scale. And it's not just factory jobs. It's white-collar roles that we thought was safe. This is really happening already. IBM, for example, has paused hiring for over 7,000 jobs it believes that AI can replace. The old playbook is a recipe for being replaced. It's important to realize, though, this could be an opportunity for us as well. AI can certainly cause disruption, no question about it. But we have to be able to realize as well that there could be opportunity for us if we approach things strategically in an effective manner. So let's talk about it. So the solution really isn't about hard work. We know that hard work typically gets us nowhere. It's a treadmill, and it's really an effective way to remain stagnant from a wage perspective as well. Now we want to realize that we shouldn't be working harder. We know that. But we need to realize, though, more importantly, we need to work effectively, efficiently, and most importantly, strategically. So there's 3 pillars I want you to understand when it comes to building a disruption-proof career in the world of AI. Become an AI collaborator and not a competitor. You have to realize that the future belongs to those who use AI. And importantly, it's really to those who use AI in an effective, efficient, and strategic manner. You're likely not going to lose your job to AI in a lot of cases, but more likely to lose it to someone that can use AI in a manner that, of course, is what? Efficient, effective, and strategic. So what should you do? Start by offloading the repetitive tasks of your job. So whether it's actually using AI in the form of agentic AI to update social media posts, or predictive AI to run through catalog requests and to project what might be the outcome for sales in the next month. There's a number of ways that you could use AI in your job. So the goal is to really free you up for the skills that AI can't touch. It's really, again, implementing strategy, creativity, and leadership as well. Build your personal platform. Your job title is really not your identity, at least not anymore. And so therefore, your personal brand is really your new security. Your loyalty must be to your own career and not a company. Your platform, your content, your body of work is your new resume. And the goal of this is to do what? To attract opportunities directly to you. Embrace radical adaptability. The World Economic Forum says that 44% of core job skills will likely be disrupted in the next 5 years. What does this mean? Well, it means that continuous learning is really a new job for you. Your ability to continuously learn and adapt is going to be the greatest predictor of your success. So yes, 2026 will be the death of the traditional career. But it's not an ending, it's really a restructuring. The playbook is clear. Collaborate with AI and build your own platform and embrace radical adaptability. This is an invitation to build a career that is more flexible, resilient, and uniquely you. Of these pillars, building your personal platform is perhaps the most urgent for you. So watch my next video on a step-by-step guide on building a brand that makes you indispensable in the age of AI. Let me know any of your thoughts in the comments. What are you doing now? Let people know. Give some advice as well to help people out. That would be greatly appreciated.